Hi friends, welcome to Abhiyani Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to extract the phone number from the scattered data. So there is a scholarship test. So in that students are entered the phone numbers in a random manner. So one student entered in the beginning, one student in the second, and one student in the last. So how to extract the phone numbers from the scattered data? So no need to write any complex script or any code for this. We have a beautiful concept in the Power Query where we can extract the phone number using the column from example. Okay, so click on the column from example, right? So then type the phone number, then it will understand the code that we have to extract the phone number from the scattered data. Okay, so 9793563362. Okay, so like that all phone numbers will be extracted for all rows. Okay, so this is very useful whenever any scattered data is there. You can extract the phone number from the data using the column from example. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyani Tutorials for more such amazing Power Query videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.